Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at MicroStrategy stock, up by 1.6% at the time of filming. Overall, it has been a good day. We're going to be speaking about this. I'm going to be looking at all of the things that we should potentially be paying attention to into the next couple of days, going into next week. If it sounds like a good episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, do remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now, a few things playing out over here, as I say. The most notable, especially to the upside, you are seeing the stock begin to climb. That is, of course, very good, but seemingly you are hitting some resistance, most notably around the range up here. We'll call it 190, 150, and of course, slightly above that 192.20. Now, this, of course, does line up, unfortunately, well with numbers that we saw last Friday, and to a smaller extent, numbers that we saw on the Thursday. What this means is that this is a level that we have hit resistance at in the past, and with the weakness in the stock that we have seen over the last week or two, this is something which does slightly concern me. So we could, and again I hope this isn't the case, but it is a possibility, we could be coming towards a potential top to watch out for, maybe around this 192, maybe around 193, possibly somewhere in this range. Do pay attention to these numbers as they could matter. So a break maybe to the upside, especially above numbers at 193.50, could be an interesting move, as could numbers such as 194. If we can push 194, we're away from these two levels of resistance, could be something to pay attention to. Now, at the same time, if we are to fall, you are looking to possibly go down and hit numbers such as 187. If you fall below that, I'm looking at figures around 184, maybe even down to numbers such as 183.50 or 183.10. Drops below that could take us all the way down to 179, and like I said guys, this week has been good for this stock, but I am still a little bit cautious, especially with that resistance beginning to come in today. However, with that being said, it has been a good day. It's been a relatively good week since at least Wednesday, right? Still an overall down week for the stock, but again, could this be a moment to pay attention to? Yes, I am still cautious of those numbers to the downside. I'm keeping my eyes firmly on those. However, I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye for now.